powerful trader, I still make mistakes. I'm always learning. My day is busy, non-stop, 24/7. So it's not that you don't have time, but it's simply that you don't manage your time correctly. Today, I'll be 100% transparent. I don't measure it by how much money I make. I measure New Age by the amount of people that I can help.
PB investing locked out of his own office.
In the last 2 weeks, I've taken 2 losses and I've taken 10 wins. What's up, guys? In this video, I'll be taking you through a night in my life, just like an average nightly routine of what I do as an 18-year-old day trader. So right now, I'm on my way to the gym. I usually go every morning, but I'm just gonna be completely honest. This morning, I sissied out. I was really tired. I went to bed late. I was working, and if I don't get at least 6 or 7 hours of sleep, I'll skip 6 or 7 hours of sleep for real, then I don't go because I messed up my trading. So I'm going to the gym right now. This week I've already hit Monday, I hit chest tries, Tuesday I hit back buys, yesterday I hit legs. Today I'm gonna do probably arms and maybe some shoulders, and then tomorrow I'll do chest back. But yeah, I mean, well, my routine includes the gym, and then I have to go back to the office and scan, journal my trades for the day. I had a pretty good trading day. I could have been a lot better, but I made a small mistake, which I'm gonna go over, because guys, even as a profitable trader, I still make mistakes a lot. I'm always learning. So I'll be going over the mistakes I made today, what I did good today, and how I'm learning from it, and how I scan the market every single night. Then I'll be doing a class with New Age, and then I'll be going to church, dinner, hanging out with friends, cool night routine. So come along, and yeah, we're on the way to the gym right now. We're in the beast. 3 people today have told me, PB, bro, your car is huge. They didn't realize it's not like a regular G-Wagon.
You put my name on wax, you wouldn't even believe. I ain't had to watch my back. Nobody sent the kite, I said and road waiting to get back. The shit didn't get off track, let's get it back on track.
Bro, every time I come to the gym, I'm always in the biggest rush. My day is busy, non-stop, 24/7. I don't have 2 minutes of free stuff. So right now, for example, I have 32 minutes exactly before I have to leave here, go home, change really quick, go back to my office or my meetings, and that's show you guys how.
I need that blue white bitch on the facility. By 2 left feet, don't be by shorty get freelance. Now she a free that shit. Never let the bitch all over my seat. My shot bitch skipping, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, pussy like a meat box. All grown up, bitch, looking like Selena, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you take it to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like.
Any words of wisdom on how to lat raise 25s like that?
Be a boss.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all you gotta
Tell
do?
yourself in your head you could do it, then you can do it. But if you tell yourself in your mind that you can't do it, then you can't do it. My body, I don't care what my body thinks it could do or not. If my brain thinks it could do it, then I don't care what my muscles say I do it.
It's real.
So if you believe it, think you can do it, then you can do it. But if you think in your head also so heavy I can't do it, you won't be able to. Same thing with success. If you generally believe you do things that are unrealistic, you'll be able to do them. But if you don't believe it, then you won't. I genuinely believe that I would have all the success before I even graduated high school, and I did it. Most people will tell you you're crazy, you're unrealistic. But what I say? Unrealistic is my middle name. Score Rosie. So I just finished my workout perfectly on timing. I'm gonna go grab a protein smoothie really quick. And one thing that I think is so important is everybody's always saying how they don't have time, If I showed you guys everything I fit in my day, you wouldn't believe it. So it's not that you don't have time, but it's simply that you don't manage your time correctly. And especially me being successful, while I was in school, it was literally all just me managing my time. Every minute I take advantage of it, every minute.
Do you even know how to wield them? I got children.
The other day my wallet got stolen. It was so sad, bro. And I literally I checked the K Plus, saw the girl that ended up stealing it.
Who's a girl?
Your mom, with a bunch of kids and stuff. But they said do you want us to go press charges and find her? And I literally said yeah, bro, she must have needed it more than me, and I prayed for her. But I literally, if you're seeing this video, I don't care to steal my wallet. Keep all the money. All I want is my cards back. My cards and my ID, just such a headache. I canceled all of them. I paused them, but if I don't somehow get it back by next week, which I'm most likely not going to unless someone magically refers it to my home, but yeah, I gotta get all my new cards and stuff. It's like $1,000 cash in here, whatever. Like, I ended up praying about it, and God just told me that she needed it more than me, so she can keep my wallet. It's just an annoying process. Hey, big bro, well, bro. Oh, I got my windows on. 4x4, 4x4.
PB investing in the flesh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you PB investing, dude?
That's me, bro. That's the name.
Can I get your number, bro? You're like my celebrity crush.
I'll run that way, bro.
What's your plan for like the next 10 years?
Bro, like, my plan is, first off, for New Age is I don't like measure it by how much money I make. I measure New Age by the amount of people that I could help. So I want to change as many lives as I possibly could. I want to be like known as the guy you go to in the trading space to learn. And then I think trading is, I freaking love trading. Like, I can't explain it. Like, a lot of these guys, they fake their trading, and they're not actually traders. They don't even care about trading. I genuinely, with the bottom of my heart, I love trading, and I think there's so much potential for me to just keep scaling my trading. I want to get to a point where, bro, I'm making or losing millions in every trade. Like, I want to get to that point where I'm freaking risking a G-Wagon on a trade to potentially make a Bugatti in every trade. You know, I just want to keep growing my trading, as well as, obviously, I'm investing my money right now into real estate, some software investments, startups, and stuff like that. So I'm investing my money. I'm being smart.
What's your 3-car garage looking like? Your dream 3-car?
I mean, my dream cars were a Lamborghini Huracan Technica and a G4x4, which I got. But I guess if you're going like next level, or like, I think it would be cool, maybe like Bugatti, Rolls-Royce Spectre, LaFerrari.
Really? LaFerrari?
We're locked out of my office.
PB investing locked out of his own office.
12 minutes until my class. Yo, I'm locked out. Can you come open it? The codes are not working. Thank you. Bye. Ladies first.
Alright, bro. Was that necessary?
So this is where I spend most of my time. This is my office. This is where I trade usually. I also have a little office in my house as well, but this is looking like my real office. This is where I trade, where I'm working, and where I'm spending my time, you know. So I'm about to hop on this class in 7 minutes at 7 p.m. Do like an hour-and-a-half class for the New Age students. We do them a couple times a week. And then after that, I'm going to scan and journal and show you guys what I do every single night to be prepared for the market and to keep bettering my trading personally.
So can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded.
Yeah, crazy dunk today in the market. Man, I missed it, but I know Shawty caught it. Called like 1,000% trade. It was crazy. So super important class, and I'm excited. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the last 2 weeks. I really have.
Yeah, I'll say something, PB.
What's up?
Been better than I could have ever hoped for or imagined so far. I've had like 10 trades. I think I've gotten all 10 for 10. A couple, 2 or 3 of them I did before I even joined the accelerator. I was just looking at some of your stuff and kind of just trying to figure it out on my own. And so yeah, I'm just thrilled, and just highly recommend you to anyone who's interested.
So what do you think about New Age? Better than you expected?
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's been great. I mean, you know, you've been great, and Shadi and Clay, and just everybody's helpful, and you know, I know you advertise it kind of like a family atmosphere, but it's felt like that, and it's really. I've been with some other organizations that you know, were good, but not as good as your. Yeah, it's I can see why. I believe that's true, and yeah, I'm not even really sure how, you know, you came across my radar, but I'm glad you did. And
it's pretty cool because, like, sometimes I think, like, man, you guys are, like, trusting 18-year-old. And I think that's what most people have a hard time with. But it's like, once you break that barrier, it's like, yeah, I might be 18 years old, but I promise you, I've literally dedicated the last 6 years of my life to this. I put more hours than some teachers that are 40, 50 years old.
Older than you, and I don't see them as much as I'd like, but I can maybe kill 2 birds with 1 stone and get up and
your team has been so impressive. That really helps. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, like, I don't run New Age just like some other Discord group. Like, I literally have a full team here in Michigan. If you guys saw the in-person bootcamp video, like, I run this like a full stack, like, customer service. We have people helping each member. Like I really take a lot of pride in helping people in my name and my brand. So I do everything that I possibly could to provide the best experience. Over the last 2 weeks, we've gone over a lot. Let's review everything really quick. We've been over technical analysis basics. We've went over key levels, pre-market highs, pre-market lows, how the stock market isn't random. The stock market moves level to level, and when a support is breaking under, it turns into a resistance. When a resistance is broken above, it turns into a support, and we look for those retests of those key levels. So remember, guys, what you want to look for is those levels where you have 3 or more taps, and those are your key levels, and you don't want to enter into a key level. You want to wait for it to get above, or a psychological level. What causes gaps in VIX?
Yeah.
God bless. And look, just because you didn't join or not, doesn't mean our journey ends. Doesn't mean our journey ends. Tomorrow and for the next year, you guys, we're gonna be live trading. We're gonna be crushing it, and let's get this bread. Let's keep crushing it. Peace, guys. Love you all. And I can't wait to see you guys in person, too. It's going to be insane. Okay, so I just finished my class with the new age members. Now what I want to show you guys is what I do every night. So I journal my trades and I scan my market for the next day. So today I'll be 100% transparent. Excuse my language. I made a mistake. And I'm going to be transparent about it. I'm not going to BS about it. I let a green trade go red, and I can't believe I did that. So let me show you guys trade I took. It's like Meta. Got a 5-minute close above the pre-market high. Then I got a pre-market high retest. This is where I entered. Then I took trims here at 25%. After I take trims plus 25%, I should never let a trade go red. But I didn't move my stops to break even. I thought I was going to go more. Then this huge candle came, and I ended up getting stopped out here. I turned a trade that was up I was up $1,500 in this trade. Then what happened? I turned to a negative $2,000 trade. I made a huge mistake. I haven't made a mistake like this really all year, and I'll show you guys proof. Lost $2,200. But then I waited 10 minutes. I saw another really good looking trade. I took it. I entered Tesla off this EMA retest with strong stock of the day. I exited most high day, then I exited the most on this doji candle. Then I made $3,127 on that trade. So I ended up profiting about $900 on the day, but it should have been at least a $3,000 day. And as you could see, I alerted both these trades with entry and exit. So Meta calls on watch, taking some 25% all out here. Then Tesla, all out, trim 60%, all out. Then Saudi came on and called a freaking 1,000% trade. It was pretty insane. They went to 1,750%. on SPY, as you could see. SPY 670 puts, crazy. He's been crushing SPY, so I'm blessed. I thought I might have traded, and now he's crushing it. But yeah, so after journaling my trades today, I just realized that I can't make, I was very dumb, and I should have moved my stops to break even after I took that trim. I'm being transparent with you guys. In the last 2 weeks, I've taken 2 losses and I've taken 10 wins. So my trading's been on absolute pretty good. I mean, 10 for 12, that's what, like over an 80% win rate. And I just, I should move my stops break even, but I will for the next time, obviously. Then I'm happy I came back. I waited. I didn't go enter a trade right away. I waited 10 minutes, saw this trade, and entered it. And yeah, so we live and we learn. I journaled, I learned from my mistakes, and I cut that out of my trading, and that's it. I make mistakes too as a profitable trader, and it's okay because I'm always learning from them and evolving. So now what I like to do is I go through, now this is how I scan every night. I go to the daily chart, I just look through all the dailies. So for example, Apple looks ugly, AMD looks ugly, everything looks ugly. So here I would see, okay, AMD is getting close to a gap. If AMD enters this gap, I'm going to look for shorts. Here, like Amazon looks ugly. Like everything's going to look ugly because today we had a horrible day in the market. But I go through all these names and I look at what's strong, what's weak, and I mark my key levels on stocks I'm going to be looking to trade. Here I could see that Meta didn't dump as hard as the rest of the market, so maybe I'll be watching Meta for potential longs. Here I could see MU is extremely weak. I could see Nvidia, disgusting candle after I had great earnings, and I can see that if Nvidia breaks under this 180 psych level, it could be horrible. I could see that SPY, the last time SPY had a big candle like this, we're at the same exact spot, or a huge support. If SPY breaks under this huge support in 650, we could see a huge move down. I see that Tesla rejected. It's really hard to do this tonight, but I'm looking for the setups I'd be watching extremely for shorts, and something I'll be watching for potentially a bounce. So maybe I'd be watching NVIDIA for shorts, and if the market's green, maybe I'll be watching Meta because it didn't dump as hard. It's got some strength. So that's kind of what I'm looking to, or like maybe Hood. The Hood is still this gap. This could be another candidate if the market's strong. So what I'm doing is I'm going through all the daily charts and I'm seeing what's strong, what looks good, what looks bad. Obviously, basically everything looks bad because what happened today in the market. Normally it's not like this, but I look to see like bullish patterns, bearish patterns, and then I go from there. So for example, on AMD the other day, I was here. I could actually go to replay mode. You see how AMD was flagging here? I was doing my daily scanning and I knew that AMD was flagging at a big level. I knew that if AMD broke under this level, we would have a big dump. So what did I do? I watched AMD for puts under this level. Then what happened? What happened? The next day, huge dump candle, crushed the short. Why? Because I saw this flag. I saw if we broke under a level, we were going to dump. So preparation is key. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail, and that's why every single night I do this and I'm prepared for the next day. I know what I'm watching and I know what to expect in the key levels and stuff like that. You don't want to enter puts right when it's above a key level, so you have to have these marked out. But yeah, that's what I do every single night. So now it's 8:41. I'm about to head to church really quick. I try to go to church every single day at least once. Go to adoration. I also journal in church, just kind of recoup my thoughts. So you see this right here? Somebody spit on my car the other day.
What's up?
Yeah. I don't know, they hate on me a lot, but it's okay. I pray for people like that. I genuinely do, and like, I don't know, I just love God. I just love this. Like, I love God. I love my life. I love what He's given me, and I'm super blessed. So I continue to go here, and I try and spread His word as much as I could. Talk to you guys after.
At the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can't undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe, it's the cash.
I don't care, cause he did it first. If he's cheating, I'm doing him worse. I ain't tripping to grip in my purse. I don't care, cause he did it first.
So guys, about probably like 5 months ago, I called Jaden. Jaden's my best friend. And I told him straight up, I said, Jaden, so Jaden's a personal trainer, and boxing, he was making like 10K a month. I told him straight up, I said, Jaden, in 1 year, if you're still training people for boxing, I'll kill you. I literally called him and I said that. Now, he just started his employment agency. He's starting to do a life insurance company. Now he's an entrepreneur and he's about to run it up.
If you're ever not happy with where you're at, even if you're making comfortable money, because I'm not gonna lie to you,
You're very comfortable.
10K might be a lot to a lot of people, but I see myself doing a lot bigger things. And if you went through what I was going through 5 months ago, take the fucking risk. Because I'm telling you right now, I literally told Preston this. I texted him the other day and said, what I'm praying for is really happening, I swear. And like me and him, like having an accountability buddy is a big thing, but fucking
guys, I'm telling you, this guy's parents were telling him like, don't do it, keep doing it. And I told him, I said, Jaden, as your best friend, I personally know you have so much potential. I'll kill you if 1 year you're still training people.
And what I do, you're gonna see everything pop off within the next couple months, because I'm about to pop out. You're gonna see, bro.
And by next summer, what car will you be driving?
Okay, by next summer, I have 2 cars that I'm gonna have before the summer. It's either gonna be a AMG GT63, and it's gonna be matte gray, or it's gonna be a Porsche GT3. I got the fucking link out.
Cool.
And
Hold on, what'd you say, Jaden?
Porsche GT3, bro.
Slow.
You're gonna see this right now.
Wait,
We're gonna go
what'd you
back to
say?
this clip right now.
What car are you gonna have? Hold up!
Porsche GT3 RS, got the wing out.
Everything's dismissed. Everything went good. Thank God a million times. But this was me 3 months ago. Now I have 2 companies that are already generating me profit. So you have no excuse to do good, keep prospering your life, and stick to the little wins, because I promise you they will turn into big wins if you have a goal and if you have a vision and if you have action towards that vision.
So guys, funny story. When that happened to Jaden, I get a call, and it was, this is East Lansing County Jail. And right away, I thought it was a prank call. Then I answer, it's like, bro, I need you to come here at 3:45 in the morning and pick me up.
And bro.
So I drive
1 hour.
1 hour,
Okay.
3:40 to 3:45 a.m. I pick him up. You know why he called me to pick him up? So that I could bail him out and take him somewhere that was 3 minutes away. No gap, bro.
Yeah, I swear to God, without a
And then I
question,
drove an hour back.
put it back on me without a question. You came right away. I'm not gonna lie. You know who your true friends are right away. You don't understand what me and Preston
And
stuck
I'm
it
not
out to.
joking. Jaden, this was me when I was driving back at 5 a.m. I'm not kidding. Look. My friends are
Hey.
That's how it was. That's how it was.
God.
I was falling asleep, and then I was praying. I was like, God, please just keep me up, because I was about to fall asleep. I thought I was gonna
I
die.
remember that for the rest of my life.
Anyways, guys, that's a night.
Jaden.
Hope you guys enjoyed. That's a night in my life as an 18-year-old. But it wasn't always like this, guys. When I started, I locked myself in my room for literally 4 years straight, and I was just working 24/7 nonstop. I wanted it so bad where I couldn't sleep at night. So just because you guys see me now having a good time, tipping people, living the life of my dreams, it wasn't always like this. And don't compare yourself to me, but compare yourself to the you. Compare yourself to the you yesterday, and make sure you're getting better every single day. I love you guys. My goal is to motivate, inspire, and spread awareness and show you guys to God. If I could do it, then you could too. Peace.